Hey guys, Pokemon DP2 here, and I'm going to show you my team on Pokemon Platinum. Here we have a Rampardos level 43, Staraptor level 40, Launcher level 42, Infernape level 40, Electrify / Rotom, the fan type Rotom thing, level 42, and an egg. And this is a new Pokemon Platinum series. I have a Pokemon Diamond one, Pokemon Heart Gold, and a Pokemon Black one. So watch those, and they're really good. And I have other videos like the Atari 2600 and all that other stuff, which is really cool. I'm having new videos out soon. It's gonna be they're gonna be really cool, and they're gonna be like old games and stuff. So watch those, and see you guys later. Okay, that's it for this video. So see you guys.